vegetable preparation. And there's no other cookware that takes care of vegetables in retaining vitamins and minerals except SaladMaster. Kasi ibang cookwares, bumili ka sa tindahan ng yung mga vegetable mo, pagkain mo nun, after mo magluto sa cookware mo, baka 10%, 8% na makuha mo. Ito siya, over 90%. The cookware retains an astonishing 90%, over 90% of minerals and vitamins. So SaladMaster and American Diabetes Association. So aside from the American Cancer Society, we have the American Diabetes Association right now. So they are the latest organization. Why? Because still they found out based on research that diabetes is caused same as cancer food choices. So the only way to combat all these diseases is by eating healthy and getting the vitamins and minerals from your ingredients. So, same contributions of type 2 diabetes, so all this, factors, 90% of them, of the people don't know na it's food choices. So, naman, if you have diabetes, it is damaging also the other organs of your body. So, that's a problem. Okay. Now, we change lives. Why do we change lives? Why we move around? Because people thought that we are on the pots and pan business, cookware business. Technically, yes, but we are on opportunity business really. What we do is to provide people information. We move around, tell them, share the opportunity to change their lifestyle. So, that's the thing about SaladMaster. Now, ano ba itong SaladMaster? All of these cookwares are made in the USA. So, these are manufactured, the SaladMaster is manufactured in Wisconsin. But originally, the first SaladMaster came out in Dallas in 1946. So, the first product that they came up in 1946 is this one. So, that's a SaladMaster machine. The founder of SaladMaster is Harry Lemons. And this SaladMaster processor alone, kung binibigay lang namin to sa mga bahay, basta magbayad lang ng shipping, pag nag-iikot kami. But kung hindi namin to binibenta, pero pag may iba talaga na gustong, they wanna buy it, it retails 600 and it's very expensive. So, we don't, what we do is tell people, could you please just invite friends to come to your house and host the demonstration, and you'll get it for free. You don't need to buy. Just pay for the shipping, $85, and that's it. Okay. So, okay. Number one cause of death in North America right now is heart disease. That's why we're telling people that when you fry, do not add oil in it, because instead of you you're putting your health into jeopardy. Adding a lot of oils in your food is not doing good. So that's why we tell people we can fry chicken without oil, which is true, and that's the one of the features that our cookware is proud of.
Even fish.
Yes. Yeah. So. For because meats are greasy, right? They produce their own oil.
Like
That's why. Pero pag ipiprito mo yan, kahit sa non-stick, masusunog yan. Ipiprito mo yan na walang oil, di ba? Ipiprito mo yan sa mga low quality stainless steel, masusunog pa rin yan. Masusunog yan. Our cookware is non-corrosive. Talagang lagyan mo yan ng ingredients dyan. Basta tama lang yung heat mo, hindi talaga siya masusunog. Pero yung mga meats, walang problema, hindi nasusunog yan. The cookware takes care of it very, very well. Okay, so, another factor. So, number one cause of death is heart disease. Ito yung inaano nila. The SaladMaster's cooking system protects health. Fat and heart disease. If you see, fat causes plaque to build up on inner artery walls. So nakikita nyo, yung healthy artery wall here, day by day, you're putting oil in your food, nagbibuild siya ng plaque dyan hanggang ma-stroke. So why reduce fat in your family's diet? A recent study found that 1 out of 3 children had a significant risk factor for heart attack by age 14. So imagine, it's not only adults are having problems on heart disease, even age 14. And artery blockage greater than 50% was found in children as young as 7 years old. So, yun. Now, pabilisan natin, ang Mayo Clinic believes in non-peeling off the skin because the skin has the nutrients. The same in SaladMaster. We don't peel, okay? Second, our cookware is designed not to absorb because we avoid light and water in your ingredients. Light, that's what we call oxidation. Once you slice an apple and expose them to light, they turn brown. I'm meaning to say, the nutrients are gone in the food because you expose the apples sa light. And water, the more in water, when you put them in water, sa carrots, di ba? Tikman mo yan na walang tubig, matamis. Ilagay mo sa may tubig, tanggalin mo yung carrots, tikman mo, naiwan ang tamis dun sa tubig. Why? Because water destroys. Is a destroyer of nutrition. We don't recommend microwaving your food because microwave is 400 degrees. Aside from radiation, the heat is 400 degrees. SaladMaster only cooks below 200. Yeah, 200 the maximum, but below 200. 187 to 190. That's ideal for vegetables. So that's it. We don't steam because steaming is even hotter than 232 degrees, even hotter than boiling point. So there was a research made by the University of Wisconsin, and they found out that SaladMaster retains an astonishing 95% of vegetables and or the vitamins and minerals in your vegetables. So in SaladMaster, peeling, cooking in water, oxidation, light, air, we don't do that. Excessive heat, boiling fats and oils, we avoid all those. To maximize. So see carrots when you cook in SaladMaster, and you hit the 88.3%. For potatoes, 93.4%. Broccoli is 98.1%. Okay. So kitchen investment. A lot of people, when you ask them, saan ba yung pinakamahal na gamit nyo dito sa bahay? Karamihan sa mga lalaki sa garage nila kasi BMW, Mercedes-Benz. Mga babae karamihan closet nila kasi jewelries. Louis Vuitton, nandun sa loob ng closet. Pag titingin mo sa kusina, masusuka ka, sa Goodwill lang namimili ng kaldero. And why, you have to really invest in the kitchen because your kitchen is, that's why I'm saying, the source of your good health. Day by day, you cook your food, you put inside yung pagkain na yun, sa loob ng katawan mo, yung bag mo lang, nandito na yun, ang mahal-mahal mo. Pero ito, pagkain mo, pinasok sa loob. There's no way, there's no other better or best investment in the kitchen by investing in SaladMaster. Because this is the cleanest and the safest metal used in the cookware. So try to imagine, thing. Sa cookware na ito, in this cookware, ang nilalagay mo lang pure ingredients. Pag carrots lang, ipasok mo sa loob. Because the cookware can do it. Why is your cookware not healthy? Because sa isang cookware mo, magluluto ka, yung carrots, lagyan mo ng oil, lagyan mo ng tubig. So saan ka? Doon ka sa pure. See, it's
Pero ano lang siya sa linisan ko. Kahit ganyan. Tulog kasi ako sa mga kaldero pati. Ay, ito yung paglilinis. Gusto ko kasi yung mag-rotate
yung kaldero ko,
ito, te.
2014.
Yeah, ito.
Ginamit ko pa sa business yan. I move around. I bring just like here. Cooking almost every day. But you look at my cookware. Why? It's easy to clean because they are made of 400 series outside and 316 titanium inside. So all you have to do is just put hot water or warm water inside for a few minutes, like 5 minutes, You just wipe it before you put soap. So this is the only cookware also that you can use stock cooking. Alam mo yun, yung ganito, Teo, yung pag nagluluto ka, isang apoy lang,
Yeah.
tatlong, yeah. So, sa stock cooking ka,
It's like
it's
whenever
easy.
there.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So you have to just, all the ingredients, 3 ingredients in there,
Is that
isang
kinda
apoy
like
dito.
steaming stuff?
Ha?
The one that things like kind of steaming or fresh?
Yeah, I mean, steaming here is without water. So you can just put the, you know, you just can put the vegetables or whatever ingredients you have. And then, equal distribution kasi ang heat niya because it's not corrosive. So, di ba sa ibang kaldero, nagluluto ka dito, ang apoy dito, mas mainit dito na portion, kaya nahihilaw yung part dito. Kasi dito lang ang naiinit sa kanya. Ito, once initin mo dito, aakyat yan sa lahat ng mga, pareho ang init niya. Even heat distribution siya. So, that's the thing. Another features, as I was saying earlier, sa kaldero na ito, kung magluto ka ng carrots alone. See how healthy is that? But sa kaldero mo, itong carrots na ito, sabayan mo ng tubig, sabayan mo ng oil. The reason why you use oil in your cookware, it's not to, oil is not for flavor because your cookware cannot fry it without oil. So, kailangan mo ng oil doon sa kaldero mo. So imaginein mo, maglagay ako ng carrots dito. Halimbawa, ito.
Actually, pwede rin na-try na namin yun na yung sa kaldero ko, na nagmamantika talaga siya.
Sa platinum mo?
Oo, nagmamantika talaga siya. Kaya lang na, ano doon, is siguro na, yung tawag ito, meron nga talaga yung, sabi mo nga, ano nga yan,
Titanium. Walang titanium yan. Ang ginagamit ng doktor nga, sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko magamit ng platinum sa loob ng katawan mo eh. Walang ibang metals. The highest grade of...
I think yung utensils ko, platinum, kasi ang tawag niya ng platinum eh. Yung platinum ang ang metal nun.
Probably. Kasi sometimes, pangalan lang din, brand name yun eh, yung iba. But alam ko yung platinum, ang pagkakaalam ko hindi yan siya platinum na, pangalan siya ng company. They're using a metal also, which is, yung ply niya is makapal. Makapal yung ply niya. But it's not, kagaya nito.
Ang mahal din kaya nabili ko doon.
I know, alam ko yan.
Mga 10,000 yung lahat ha?
Ay, mahal pa yun.
Hindi kasi financing eh.
Oo,
Pero
pagka...
ilang mga kusilyo pa yun.
Meron din kami kutsilyo. Kaya lang sila, I don't know if they're still alive. I don't think so. Ito din, hulugan din to. Itong, pare-pareho lang. So, kung ikaw, magluto ng carrots sa kaldero mo, may tubig. So, see? What will happen to that carrots when you put it in water? Magiging orange yung Plus, lagyan mo pa ng oil yan kasi nung una, maglagay ka pa ng oil. Ganunin mo yun. So which is healthy? Carrot alone on your cookware or water, oil, and carrots?
Siyempre common sense naman, siyempre yung
Diba?
carrot.
So yun nga ang diferensya doon. So, okay. Okay, so, sa patest, doon mo malasahan, te. Magpapatest tayo. Doon mo malasahan if sa kaldero mo or sa SaladMaster, mayroon bang sumasama doon sa kinakain mo. For example, nagluluto ka doon sa kaya season ka ng season kasi nawala yung natural flavor of the food, right? So, seasoning na lang ang nagpapasarap sa kanya. Dito, we're not more in seasoning because the natural flavor of the food is, the natural taste of the food is, yun yung,
Preserved.
na preserve niya. So, yun ang makakain mo. So, that's how protected is your health with the SaladMaster thing. Okay. So, isa sa mga features dito, yung lock niya, versa lock handle siya, natatanggal. Yun yung kay, actually si Joy, yun ang gustong kukunin ni Joy. Kasi ito yung kay Jinky Pacquiao ba, kay Chris Aquino, yung mga artista sa atin, ito yung, siyempre, kumukuha siya ng pinakamalaki. Sabi nga ni Chris, pati yung mga kapatid ko, binigyan ko sila ng isa-isa. Buti naman yun sila, mayayaman naman. So, ito yung pinaka-executive set, bago ko sabihin yung price. Ang kinuha ni Joy, pangalawang malaki. Ito. Master set.
Taman.
Ang maganda sa akin, kasi dealer ako, ang dami kong binigay na libre sa kanya. Mas nalula pa siya sa libre kaysa So yan, professional set, yan yung pangatlo. And then yan yung
Actually, gusto ko yun, at saka yun. Yun talaga gusto ko yun. Yun yung pinagigil ko, at saka yun. Anong kasama nun? Basta gusto ko may kasamang yun, at saka yun.
okay.
Prituhan.
Yung dalawa na tinuro mo, kuhanan mo ako ng set dyan, ibibigay ko yung libre sa'yo.
Yun ang
Yun ang panglibre ko sa'yo. Actually, yung isa dyan sa SaladMaster, kasi dealer ako, yung sa akin yung pangalawa. Yung bigay kong libre. Tapos, meron pa akong dagdag sa'yo. Anuhin mo lang na tawag dito?
Kasi yung pagdero parang yun. Pagdero din.
Ito magandang deal na to yung professional. Kasi makadeal ako ng todo, marami akong maibigay pagka ito professional set.
Magkano ba ito?
Ang monthly niyan is only 174. Alam mo yung kasamahan niya,
How many years to pay?
3 years.
3 years.
Alam mo nung nagkasamahan niya, nag-attend sa kina Joy, nakabili pala siya dito ng professional set sa iba. Nakabili siya. Ang presyo niya, is 1,000 more than my price. Nagulat
Si
siya.
Francisco. Hindi kasi namin...
Nagulat siya. Kaya, si Francisco, di ba?
Hindi kasi niya alam na SaladMaster yung...
In-invite niya kasi, hindi niya alam na SaladMaster. Taga Pittsburgh din yun eh. Kaya nga, meron tayong di kuryente dito.
Ganda
Meron
yun na.
tayong di kuryente dito.
Marami kang choices.
Ito, gusto ko ito. Asan yung gano'n?
Alin?
Yun, ba't wala dito?
Yung
Yung mga dalawang
smoke.
wala dito.
Kaya nga kasi nga, ano yun siya special yun siya
Ito yun, ito yun.
Yan, natimian yan.
Nasa master set yan siya. Ganyan yung kay ano.
Pero wala naman ito dito.
Nandiyan oh.
Kitel ang
dito,
gusto
wala
niya.
ka dito.
Kitel.
Yung ticket to?
Kitel.
Wala dito.
Kasi wala siya sa master set. Kaya nga,
Kapag ito kung ano, madami naman yan.
hindi, I give you a deal nga.
Kumakain ka na dyan.
Kumakain na siya. Tingnan, try niya.
Wag ka nga,